What if you could unlock huge career opportunities with just a few AI skills? Today, I'm sharing 3 game-changing skills anyone can start learning today, no advanced tech background required. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why these skills matter and how to get started using AI as your personal accelerator. Let's jump in. First up, prompting. This is the art of crafting thoughtful, specific instructions to get accurate and useful output from AI tools like ChatGPT. Here's the thing, AI is only as smart as the questions you ask it. Great prompt engineering can save you hours of time and give you razor-sharp results for things like writing, brainstorming, or even coding help. Here's a tip. Start with the general idea and refine it. For example, instead of asking ChatGPT, what's a good marketing strategy? You can ask, can you create a 3-step digital marketing strategy for a startup targeting Gen Z? This way, you get personalized, actionable advice instantly. Next is basic programming skills. Now, don't run away. This isn't about becoming the next Mark Zuckerberg. Many AI tools are powered by code. Learning programming lets you tweak and customize tools for your needs. Even knowing the basics of language like Python can give you a massive edge. Here's where AI steps in to help. Tools like GitHub Copilot can actually write code for you as you learn, acting like a hands-on tutor. Pro tip: start small. Use AI to create scripts for basic tasks like organizing data or automating emails. You'll build confidence and discover how deep or simple you want to take it. Finally, we have data analysis. Now, I know what you're thinking. Numbers aren't everyone's thing, right? But here's the secret. Understanding data is less about math and more about storytelling. It's how trends are revealed, stories are told, and decisions are made. From tracking sales to predicting customer behaviors, data analysis is a powerful way to use AI to its full potential. Once you've learned the basics, pairing AI with data analysis helps you find patterns normal spreadsheets just can't see. You'll be the person finding answers before anyone even knows the questions. And there you have it, prompting, programming, and data analysis, the perfect AI starter pack. Here's your next move. Pick one skill that excites you the most and commit to exploring it for 30 minutes today. We've already linked some top-rated courses below. With AI as your learning partner, the possibilities are endless. Hit subscribe and don't forget to share which skills you are starting with in the comments below. See you in the next video.